Would you like to make this cute squirrel with Play-Doh all by yourself? Then like this video and subscribe to my channel. Would you like to make this? I'll show you how to make all your favorite story characters the easy way. A sound came from the door. Knock, knock, knock. Peanut, the squirrel with the curly tail, arrived. He said, "Milo, my chestnuts are ready. How about your cookies?" Milo laughed, and his chubby tummy wiggled with joy. Hi everyone, I'm ZiZi, and this is my new assistant. Do you remember in the last episode of Fandogh? Yesterday, I heard a tiny noise coming from the boxes. I opened the lid and found this little cutie waiting for me. I brought him here to show you, but he doesn't have a name yet. Can you help me find a beautiful name for him? Now, let's get to work. Let's build our little squirrel with the help of my new assistant. Ready? Let's go. Mix red, yellow, and blue Play-Doh together until they turn into a perfect chocolate brown. Roll the brown clay into a ball. Now, shape it like a little egg and flatten it gently with your hand. That's the body. Mix a bit of brown with white and yellow to make a cream color. Roll it, make a line in the middle with your tool, and press it onto the body. Take a tiny bit of black clay and use 2 fingers to make a triangle for the nose. Well done! Now draw a happy smile. Press here gently so we can put the squirrel's teeth in later. Now, use your tool to make 2 holes for the eyes. Put 2 white ovals in. And then 2 tiny black circles in the middle. He looks great. Assistant, can you give me some brown clay? Thank you. Roll it into a ball, shape it like a teardrop, and flatten it. Put a smaller cream piece on top. Now stick the ears onto the head. Make 2 brown teardrops for the arms. For the paws, roll a tiny circle and use your tool to draw little fingers. Now, do the same for the feet. Using ovals and stick them to the bottom of the body. Now for the big fluffy tail. Roll a ball, then stretch it out so the top is a bit thin. Curve it like I do and stick it to the back. Little assistant, can you bring a bag of chestnuts for our squirrel? Ooh, look, you can do magic.
Okay, friends, if you like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to ring the bell and write your name ideas for my assistant in the comments. See you in the next episode. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.